Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how to find and delete connected apps from Facebook account. Friends, please don't forget to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and please write your comments. So let's get on with this topic, friends. Please open the Facebook app on your device. Then go to the menu. Next, you will need to, friends, on the top right, tap on the gear. Then in the settings, please scroll down to the very bottom and find a section called Apps and Websites. Next, when you open this app, you can see the different apps that you have connected and associated with your Facebook account. You can delete them as needed. If you go here and you don't have any apps here, they're already deleted. You can click on See Deleted Apps and Websites and see them in this list. That's how quick and very easy, friends, you can find and delete the connected app to your Facebook account. I really hope, friends, that the video has helped you. Don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe. See you soon, friends.